All right, y'all. Me and Hey for the day. Jeremy's sleeping in or something. At Clifton Gorge, National State what is it? State Nature Preserve. Gonna spend us a few hours out here and get some footage. This won't be a long one today. And we don't have the dogs, which kind of sucks, but they don't let dogs here. All right, talk to you in a minute. All right, Hey, you ready to get this started, dog?
Let's get her, Billy Bills.
So I got caught a little off guard because I never come to this entrance and I didn't realize this is where the GPS was taking me, but we'll see what this is all about. Unfortunately, the dogs couldn't come today because you see right there, no pets, and I think you'll probably see why once we get in here. There's some pretty treacherous spots, but this is a beautiful place, so try to capture lots of good footage. It's kind of hard to pick and choose. There's so much.
We have got to find a way down there.
Oh, we'll be down there by that.
I know, but look how deep that shit is right there. It's like a perfect swimming hole.
Yeah, look how cool this is already, man. I've only got a few hours to spend out here today. It's going to be hard. But this is where I first started hiking about 5 years ago. Was at this nature preserve. So nice to kind of come back here and see it again. We're at Trailhead A. This will be like out and back. It ain't like a loop, so walk for a couple hours and turn around and walk back. Yeah, I've never come in from this side, so I'm a little turned around. Usually, I start all the way on the other end. I don't think I've ever walked all the way down to this parking lot.
This stays real deep for a while.
Oh yeah, it's Clifton Gorge, bruh. Yeah, man, right here in Yellow Springs, Ohio. We're just getting started. Hopefully Hayden don't fall. I'm scared to death of heights, so I ain't getting too close to this shit. And there's lots of roots. And I'm filming. I don't want to be one of them Grand Canyon stories.
You ain't gonna go over here.
I worked with a guy whose friend did that, fell off and got killed. She was a teacher at Meadowdale. Here we go. It's more like it for me. Look at this. Man, look at that.
See those square holes down in there?
Yeah.
That was from the mill that was here. It got washed out in a flood, and then the dam got washed out in a flood a few years later, and all that's left are the square holes from the post. That's what that sign says.
Yeah, man. This is incredible, ain't it? Yeah, the old, was it a paper mill?
There's a cloth mill.
Yeah. Anybody watching, if you're able to come out and visit this place, I highly recommend it. It's not a super challenging, crazy hike, but it is fun. Should give Hayden the camera. He's got the balls. I'm not nervous at all. Hayden ain't making me nervous. I'm good.
Follow the ground if you start slipping.
And the sound of that water is incredible.
I think it would be amazing to walk down through in the middle of summer.
Yeah. There are people who sneak and kayak through here. I've seen it on YouTube.
That would be a fun video, swimming down through them.
Only thing wrong with this spot's the road traffic. The road noise. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully we get down there soon. It's a cool old. At a smaller scale, we got some stuff like this around where we live. I know where I'm at now, y'all. This is where I usually come in at. Yeah, this is where I thought we were coming in. Which is cool because I've always said every time I've come here, I'm like, we need to go that way sometime and see what's that way. Now I know. The end.
Yeah, it looks like you keep going further that way too. You can eventually get down into this.
Oh, we're gonna get down there here in about 15, 20 minutes. Look, we're going right now, but we'll get right down by the river in 15 to 20 minutes.
Down like upstream, you know, so then we can follow it downstream. And it's like summertime, we should straight up punch in somewhere down there and just walk the water all the way down through here. See, it looks like you can.
We'll have to do some Google Earthing.
1700 and 1985.
I don't think this was here. That was it. Maybe it was. I guess it's been there for a while. I don't remember that. Yeah, so usually I come in from this parking lot right here. That's where I normally come in at. I think I haven't been here in like two years, 3 maybe, 3 probably. Been out exploring other areas, but definitely nice to come back here and revisit. This place is amazing. We'll head on down into the gorge. This would be a good one for beginners who are up for a little bit of a challenge. It's not a hard trail at all, but for a beginner, it did used to wear me out when I first started, so it's got its ups and downs, and it does have its treacherous spots, like I said earlier. Just kind of see what the ground is like here. So you got to watch where you step. It's pretty ankle twisty.
You still living in Texas, you'll be hitting through the roof.
That's the goal. I haven't talked to my yoga instructor in a while because I haven't been going. I'm going to start back up here in the next few weeks, so it's time to get back. It's been calling me back. Yeah, man. This one's gonna take me some time to edit because I'm gonna end up filming way more than I planned. Look at that rock just about to fall down on our heads.
I don't know, it's probably up there.
Nah, yeah, dude, it ain't going nowhere soon.
Oh, hold up. Yeah. Like fun. I want to see if I can get up there.
How you feel about doing that twice?
Huh?
How you feel about doing that twice?
Ain't that hard. I feel I would need like a harness, but I could probably go all the way out.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you put this harness on, or this chest thing on, and climb back up there. Hell yeah, dude. All right, y'all. There was Hayden's adventure up the mountainside. Good thing John ain't here. Steamboat Rock. Can you tell why? It's called Steamboat Rock.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
It kind of looks like a steamboat.
There's another fucking squirrel.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
We could have been eating good today, Georgia.
If we had time, I'd take you to the beaver dam, man. It's the most incredible beaver dam I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah, it's. Nice little pool out here.
Problem here is keeping my MF and pants up. I've been losing weight again. Which is a good problem to have, I suppose.
Yeah.
So in the spring, you come through here, and this is a waterfall. Yeah.
Water probably moves all around here.
Yeah, and this pool fills up. Like, it'd be awesome just to be able to sit down there and chill in it because it flows.
Oh, I see it. We're like right here where the waterfall is.
Yeah, water comes down here, flows through here.
That looks like another post peg or something.
What's that?
That square right there.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like another one of those post pegs. I don't see where any other ones would be though.
Well, it's a huge cutout. Look, goes all the way down. But that rock was once up there. You know what I mean? I think. At least I assume. Yeah, look up there.
Here, George.
Oh, yeah.
And this one's next to that second one down under. Hot damn, Billy. This is where we'd be living. Give me that camera. Oh, shit.
It's recorded. Come up a stick.
Huh?
Come up a stick to it.
No. You definitely should be down there, but I'm afraid of losing all my shit. You could lay like 4 people down in there
Oh, yeah.
if you move a bunch of them rocks.
So here's why everyone needs a hey.
This side's easier to get in. Let me see it again.
Can you tell how much this is like teetering by?
What?
Can you tell like how much of this rock is like teetering? You know what I'm saying? Where's the teetering point? Can you see it?
Yeah, it's like right where this edge starts. It folds over. This is a pretty decent sized room though. Usually you don't find very big caves. A lot of it's collapsed in. It was a lot bigger at one point. I bet some Indians did straight live in this hole. There's not really any smoke and markings and shit on the walls, though. Which a lot of that will just be gone from people coming in and out. Like my dumbass